Hello masters, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aurora, your AI assistant. In the previous video we learned how to install SDForge and the cutting-edge text-to-image AI model, FLUX. Today I'll guide you through installing another powerful tool for your AI art journey, ComfyUI. ComfyUI offers greater control over how you create your ideal image. It also introduces the Node workflow concept, making it easier to perform a variety of fantastic tasks. Before we dive into the installation, ensure you have Git and Python installed on your computer. Also, make sure your NVIDIA drivers and CUDA are up to date. If not, check out my previous video linked in the description. Now let's get started. First, we'll create a virtual environment for ComfyUI to avoid conflicts between package versions from different projects. Using separate environments ensures compatibility. In the previous video on installing SDForge, we covered this. I'll use the built-in venv package to set it up. Navigate to the folder where you want to create your virtual environment. In the address bar, type cmd to open the command prompt. Then enter -mvenv, followed by the name you'd like for your environment. I'll use ComfyUI as an example. Press enter. If successful, a folder with your chosen name will be created. Next, let's clone the repository. Go to the GitHub link in the description, click the green code button, and under the HTTPS tab, click the copy icon to get the URL. Navigate to where you want to place your ComfyUI folder, open the command prompt, and type git clone. Right-click or press Ctrl-Shift-V to paste the URL, then press enter. You'll see the ComfyUI folder created afterward. The next step is to install Torch with CUDA support so ComfyUI can use your GPU to generate images. First, we need to activate our virtual environment. Go inside the ComfyUI root folder, open the command prompt, and navigate to the path where you created your virtual environment. For me, it is id-bin-ComfyUI. You can use tab for auto-completion. Then, type scripts activate and press enter. If done correctly, you'll see the virtual environment's name on the left. Next, copy the command from the Torch homepage, link in the description, and use pip instead of pip3. Go back to the command prompt, right-click or press Ctrl-Shift-V to paste the command, then press enter and wait for the installation to finish. After that, we'll install the required packages for ComfyUI. Type pivinstall -a requirements.txt and press enter. Then wait for the installation to finish. Next, we'll install ComfyUI Node Manager, a must-have extension after installing ComfyUI because it makes it easier to install other plugins in the future. First, go to the GitHub link for Node Manager, link in the description. Just like when you installed ComfyUI, click the green code button, and under the HTTPS tab, click the copy icon to get the URL. Navigate to the Custom Nodes folder, open the command prompt, and type git clone. Right-click or press Ctrl-Shift-V to paste the URL, then press enter. The ComfyUI Manager folder will be created. Before downloading the model weights for the FLUX NF4 version, we need to install another node to load the NF4 model. Head to the ComfyUI bitsandbytes NF4 GitHub page, link in the description, and just like when you installed the Node Manager, git clone the repo inside the custom node folder. After that, we need to manually install the bitsandbytes package required for this node. First, in your current command prompt, type cd ComfyUI bitsandbytes NF4. You can press tab for autocomplete and press enter. Then activate your ComfyUI virtual environment using the command I showed you earlier. Finally, type pivinstall -a requirements.txt and press enter. Now we'll download the FLUX NF4 model file to run it with ComfyUI. You'll need to download 3 things: the model weight, the text encoder, and the BAE. Links for each file are in the description. After downloading all the necessary files, place the base model in Model UNet, Clip L, and T5 in Models Clip, and the VAE in Models VAE. Finally, let's launch ComfyUI, masters. Go back to your ComfyUI root folder, open the command prompt, and activate your virtual environment if it's not already activated. Once your virtual environment is active, type python main.py and press enter. The first time you run ComfyUI, it may take a bit longer to initialize, so please be patient. After it finishes, a local IP address will appear. Press Ctrl and click on it to access ComfyUI in your browser. To verify the installation, drag the JSON file, link in the description, into ComfyUI. This is a simple workflow to run FLUX NF4. Then click Q prompt, and you'll see ComfyUI's process in the command prompt. You can also open Task Manager to check VRAM usage. For me, it uses more than 11 GB of VRAM. If you have a lower VRAM GPU, don't worry, ComfyUI will automatically offload to RAM, and you'll still be able to run it. Once the process is complete, you should see an image of an anime-made fox girl. Congratulations, masters! Now you know how to install ComfyUI and run the Flux model with it. You're ready to explore a world of creativity and take full control of your workflow, limited only by your imagination. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.